Oh shit. Yo, you're nasty. You're a nasty nigga, dog. You're a nasty nigga. Good work. Good work.
What are you saying?
Facts. Yeah, what's up?
Nah, your room is smoky.
Absolutely
That's what I'm
not.
saying.
Absolutely.
Bro,
Okay,
I'm not with the fucking.
okay, so be reasonable then.
What you gotta
Facts.
say, gang? He don't want to talk English. He don't speak English now.
I bet.
Okay, but look, this is crazy.
Agent, stop.
This is not the one. I'm saying this. Listen, this is not the one. There's other fireworks. This is not the one, bro.
Don't you just love it when they
Please. Oh, my eyes. Oh, fuck.
Now that you got that out the way, it's even now. Do you want to keep going?
I do.
Yay or nay?
Is it fire?
I don't even. Come on. Go! Go! Bro, it's gonna be all night.
All night, baby.
No. Bro, y'all niggas tweaking. That's another one.
Another one, baby.
No. He must not know.
We're good. Is this fire? Step on it.
You got more?
Hold on, bro. You don't have your belly. It's not infinite fire extinguisher.
Let's go.
Here's what I'm telling you, bro. You cannot talk to me because I was good the whole day. I was chilling. It's a respect thing.
It is.
All right.
Oh. Wait, so you don't have a smaller one, bro? You going into the fire door.
Oh, that shit. And I'm taking your shit.
Oh.
That's crazy, man. Let's go easy take this. Let's go easy take this.
Now we must start stacking.
Y'all again, bro. This nigga's tripping, yo. That nigga's a wildin', bro.
God damn it, man.
Anyways,
Davis, why are you? Dude, try to hide somebody. No, that's a good hair. No, somebody. Oh, I'm telling you. No, we gonna no. Bro, nothing happened in the crib until you went live, gang. Where's my lighter? I don't give a fuck about none of that, bro. Oh, stop.
They got a lot more.
It's the principle, man. Stop.
Hold on.
Bro, Agent, move,
But hold on, bro. You can't hit this one too, nigga. Wait.
That shit heavy. Disrespect, bro.
Snap. bro. Chill now. Good.
Bro, you see, y'all niggas, bro, we had a good, bro. I'm telling you, the reason why I'm pissed is because shit was not like this before shit got on the internet, bro.
I know.
That's why I'm pissed. If you really want to, you would have done all free, man. You would have done all free. You would have done all free, bro. And then when I saw Wild, I looked like the bad guy, bro. All right. What if my mother, you was good the whole day, bro, until niggas got your head. You was.
You know what made me upset?
The internet, right? On your dick, right? The internet on your dick, bro. That's why, bro. I don't like that, bro.
I'm still not finished, though.
Because look, if you really had a problem with, bro, Davis, what am I dead? If you really had a problem with your room, you could have came to me and been like, yo, bro, I really got no one to say. I would have, you know what, bro? I would have heard you out and see what you did. I probably wouldn't even help you even find somewhere else to just be at for momentarily. Yes, and you would have came to me. Go ahead.
Yo, he would have gave me some breach or something.
Run it back. You dragging it, bro. Run it back. Let's go.
Next work that goes off, I'm telling y'all.
Telling you, bro. You know I'm not stopping. I don't give no fucks.
Listen, I'll say this. That one was in the hole.
This shit, like, what do you gain from this?
Okay, y'all even now. Y'all even. I'll clean it up. Y'all even.
Yo, besides all this other shit that's going on, you still evading tax, my nigga. I seen that.
Oh my god.
Nah, nigga.
Now,
yo, it is the time.
What niggas think?
I didn't even know.
Cause I seen the clip, nigga. You went up. You went up. It wasn't even like 15.
If that nigga talking,
Everybody's paying 15. Everybody's paying 15.
I mean, you want to do this one? How you know this? I'm just asking.
Oh, that gotta be ass.
Bro, and it's right by my room, bro.